Welcome back, everyone. Today, I have a very special guest, an international trained dentist who went through the process in Canada before applying to the US and made it. So, welcome, Dr. Ye.
Thank you.
And thank you so much for being here and sharing your journey to everyone.
I'm very happy to be here.
Okay, so we're going to start with the first question.
Mhm.
Can you tell us more about yourself? Where are you from? When did you graduate? And how did your journey start?
Yeah, sure. I come from China. I graduated from there, and after my graduation, I moved to Canada because of the my husband is in Canada during that time. So we were so we stayed in Canada for 5 years, and after that we moved to Seattle. Yeah, so that's basically the timeline of my experience.
Okay, that's good. And when did you graduate from China?
I graduated from Peking University in 2020. Yeah, that's the time I finished my master degree in pediatrics.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's really nice. And when did you move to Canada, and what was your plan at that time? I know you said that it's 2020, but what was your plan when you moved to Canada?
Yeah, in the time 2020, it was during COVID, the most serious, the most serious time I would say. Yeah, so the first year, I moved to Canada. There's no exams. They stopped, and there's no course. Yeah,
Oh my God, yeah, I
so the first
remember.
like I think near 1 year, less than 1 year, like more than half a year. That time I did nothing.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, just like stay at home, yeah, and
Yes.
wait for they open the exams again.
Mhm.
And after that, and during that time I explored like how can I become a dentist in Canada, and then I
Mhm.
found that mainly basically there are two pathways, and I decided to go for the pathway that going through all a series of exams and get the license directly.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay. I know that you worked toward getting a into dentistry in Canada, as you said now. Can you walk us through that process and what exams you had to take in order to get licensed in Canada?
Yeah, sure. In Canada, basically there are two pathway. The
Yes.
first one is that there is a series exams, AFK, ACG, and NDAC. NDAC include two situation judgment and skills.
Uh-huh.
So and after that we have a OSCE, and after that you are qualified to apply for the dental license.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, this is one pathway. And another way is that you pass the AFK, the first exam, the didactic exam, and
Uh-huh.
after that you can apply for dental school in Canada and
Oh.
join their international program for 2 to 3 years, and after that you got a DDS degree, and then you can apply for you are qualified for a dental license.
Okay.
I went to the first. I mainly focused on the first pathway.
Pathway,
Yeah.
yes. And you actually, as what I know is you actually were able to finish that pathway, right? Before getting,
Yeah.
okay.
I finished the exams. Yeah.
Yes, yes. Did you work as a dental assistant in Canada, and how did that experience? Can you just let us know more about that experience?
Yeah, sure. In Canada, I do work as a dental assistant in a
Mm-hmm.
private clinic. Because I went for the first pathway. In the they like for AFK, they only have two exams in 1 year. And the
Oh.
ACG, they used to have two, but now I don't know if they changed that. And for
Uh-huh.
NDAC, you need to wait. You need to wait. There is a spot. There are available
Oh,
spot.
okay.
So sometimes you need to wait like half a year with doing nothing. So so I applied for a job to just to like keep me busy.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah. So I feel like because back to my home, I think the clinic how the all the procedures works is totally different compared with North America.
Exactly.
So yeah, working there helped me know like how the clinics work, how the insurance, like how people use their insurance,
Mm-hmm.
like how and how what materials we got there,
Mm-hmm.
and what like machines we got there. So that experience helped me to learn. I think that was the workflow, the whole workflow of all the
Yes,
dental procedures, because some of them are really different with what I learned from back home.
exactly.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
yes. I think that's the thing that everyone is facing.
Mm.
In US or Canada, they have the
Mm.
same issue.
Mm.
But actually, it's very good to be a dental assistant
Right,
first
right.
before getting into any
Yeah,
schools.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
And another thing is being a dentist, you will know some dentist. You will
Yes.
know some people. You will know some and they will give you some their experience or their like some suggestions, and that is
Mm-hmm.
really helpful. And when we applying for dental school,
Mm-hmm.
I think some schools are asking for a recommendation letter from a
Yes.
dentist. Yeah,
Yes.
if you work for them, yeah, they will like yeah,
Yes.
they will definitely write a good letter for you.
Yes, you're right. Many schools they actually ask and they prefer that you have a recommendation letter from someone that you worked with at
Yeah,
least like couple, some will say oh a year, some will say like just couple months, but at
yeah.
least just show them that you are here
Mm,
shadowing and you know the US or like Canada
right, right.
experience. Um, so can you tell us more? I know that you moved to the US because your husband has to move to the US to
Yeah.
Seattle. How different was the US application process compared to what you were doing in Canada?
Yeah. Basically, in US, there's only one pathway.
Yes.
There used to be the second one, like go serious exams and get a
Uh-huh.
license, but it was many years ago.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, now they stop it. So we only in US there's only one pathway. You go to the dental school.
Yes.
Yeah, and but the thing is that here in the US we have a lot of dental schools. Yeah, like more than 50. Yeah,
It's like,
something.
oh, is it 50? I thought like 45 or something.
Oh, something. Yeah, like
Yes.
that. Yeah.
But maybe
Yeah.
like I think Harvard started also like having the IDDS
Yeah,
program
yeah, they have.
recently. Yes.
Yeah, and but back in Canada, there are only seven dental school in total. Yeah, and the one UBC they stop international program, and the one is in French speaking areas. Most people might, if people don't speak French, it might be hard for them.
Oh.
Yeah, so basically five dental school in total. It's really competitive. Yeah, so I know people in Canada who is applying for dental school, Canadian dental school, they also apply for the US one. Yes.
Oh,
Yeah, because
yes.
there are more opportunities here. Yeah.
Yes. It's so so Canada is really, as what you said, Canada is the hardest, I think, pathway
Yeah, they got
comparing
that.
to US, right?
Yeah, but
Yes.
one good thing is that they have the way that you don't need to go to dental school. You just go the
Exactly the
yeah.
way that you
And
yes.
that if you pass all the exams, they will give you some certificates. That certificate also works in Australia and New Zealand.
Oh,
If you want to
that's
work in
nice.
New Zealand or Australia, you can also go pass uh this
Yeah.
exams. Yeah.
Well, that's really actually a very nice way, actually, so
Yeah,
people can
yeah,
explore it.
yeah.
Um, about the dental experience license, sorry, the dental assistant, sorry, I'm just gonna cut this. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Um, about the dental assistant license, can you tell us more, especially in Canada, how can you apply for that license in order to be a dental assistant?
Oh, to be a dental assistant, they have different dental assistant level. If you want to just be a general, do some general work, you don't need a certificate.
Oh.
Yeah, if you like if you're previous like international dentist, you're a dental school student, you can do it as a part-time job you like. You don't need a license. Yeah, you just need to like the dentist who think that you are qualified for the job, and then you can do that. But for like some specific like job, maybe a little bit more like a challenging job, you cannot do it like you want to do the sterilization, then you need a certificate.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Okay. Well, good to know.
Yeah, and for certificates, dental assistant certificate, there are some colleges in Canada, they provide a program. That program is really short, like 18 months or 12 months, and you can go through that program and then you can get the license. Yeah.
That's good. Um, So, what was the hardest moment you experienced during the application process here in the US?
Uh, oh, here I feel lack of information.
Lack of
Yeah, like
information.
because I know different schools they have some preference to be honest, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes, yes,
Uh,
yes.
I heard that for Buffalo University, they prefer your recommendation letter from their alumni. Yeah, if you
Ah,
have recommendation letter from their alumni, you have a higher chance.
oh,
Yeah, but I
that's
don't know
good to
that
know.
before.
Oh,
Yeah, yeah.
yes, it's good to. And so just to be clear, this was your first cycle, right?
Yeah, my first cycle.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes. You have a very good profile. We're lucky to have you, Dr. Ye.
Thank you. I'm lucky. I think I'm